Hello my friends, good morning Philippine time. This time we are going to check the newly potted lemon newly potted variegated lemon, whether they are attacked by the usual worms that are eating their leaves. So now we will start checking close through their leaves. Okay, and we will spot the worms that eat their leaves, and we will take them. Here we have one. Okay, because if we will not take this kind of worm, the next day they will eat all the leaves of our lemon or other citrus fruit trees, and they usually attack the citrus leaves and any kind of citrus leaves. As you can see here, these are newly potted, but they have small fruits already and flowers, because I got this, or these are potted marcots, which we marketed from the fruit bearing mother plant already. So as I said on my previous video, this is the one of the advantages of having or propagating plants through marcots and getting from the mother plant that it is already bearing fruit. Here's another worm. Here's the baby plants of the pepper, which I used when I made an organic pesticide, fertilizer, molluscicide, fungicide, which the fruits or the ripe fruits of hot chili, I used to combine with my pesticide, organic and molluscicide solution. So there's so much, and later on I will pot this and plant in a vacant bigger space. We will also check on this portion. No worm is found in this cluster of potted variegated lemon, variegated leaf. It's only the leaf that is variegated actually, but the fruit is very nice. Now I will bring this to the place where there are no lemons or citrus fruit trees that they are going to eat. Put them to the place where they have something to eat, but not my lemons. In a place where we think they will survive, that they will be able also to find leaves to eat. I'll put this here. It's up for them to look for the place or the leaves that they are going to eat in order to survive and later on to turn into butterflies. Okay, bye bye worms, because you're eating my lemon leaves. We will continue checking on this portion. as if there's no worm at all, because worms usually attack the new leaves of citrus fruit families, and this one, if this is not so lushy, or there's no young leaves that the worms used to eat. So that's it. The worms cannot be found here. So anyway, taking care or intensive taking care of citrus usually done like checking the worms in their very young stage, so that they will have the or they are giving them the chance to grow. And if they will be attacked by so many worms, of course their leaves will all be gone, and they will hardly survive and grow into a big ones, and of course to bear much fruits. So this is all we can talk all about now, because I'll be rushing to the city, to Iloilo City, to buy an important thing. I hope you learned that citrus trees during their very young or during their or where they are still small must be taken care well, like checking if they are attacked by worms, so that we will be able to rescue them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. May God bless us always and guide us in our everyday undertakings. See you on my next video. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like if you like my video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.